In this video, I will show you how to install FFmpeg tools in a Windows operating system since they don't provide an installation file. First, we need to download its latest build for Windows from their GitHub project. Then extract the zip file. You can use the location where you extracted the zip file, or you can copy the files to a safe location. This step is optional. I choose program files. You can choose a different location that makes sense to you. Here I create a new folder and name it as FFmpeg so that in future, in case I want to replace the files from the latest build, it will be easier for me to identify it. The bin folder contains all the important executable files, including FFmpeg along with others. Now we need to add this bin folder path to the system environment variables. Under the system variables, add the path of the bin folder as a new item under the path variable. Now, to check everything is working, open command prompt and type FFmpeg-version. This should display the FFmpeg build version.